Hi there, welcome to yet another tutorial on Python. Today in this tutorial we are going to discuss some problems based on the print function. The problems will be of two types. The first type will be a simple type which will involve only the simple strings, and the second type will be a bit complex one in which we will involve basic arithmetic operations also. So without further ado, let's open up PyCharm. As you can see, I have clicked on it. Now it's opening a background. I have already opened my PDF of problems on print function. So let both of these files run. Yeah, PyCharm is running and our PDF is right over here. Let's take an overview of the problems that we are going to discuss in this tutorial. The title says problem solving on print function. Here the project is loading, so let's wait for it. Until it loads, let's have a quick glance at the problems we are going to solve. Okay, as you can see, there are 4 to 5 problems in this tutorial. Yeah, the Python console opened up. Let's get straight away started with the examples or the problems. Let's scroll up. One says print the following statements. Part A of it is print hello world within double quotes. So let's get started with it. Print braces, single commas, double quotes dot hello comma world, double quotes end, hit enter. We got the output. Oh, there's a mistake over there. We forgot to put the end double quotes. Let's put it now. Yeah, this time we got it correctly. So let's look at part B of the problem 1. We need to print hello world simply. So let's type it in our console. Print braces, single quotes, double quotes, hello comma world, hit enter, hello world. Let's look at another variation in use of commas for the second example. Here we use single quotes instead of double quotes in case of a string. Hit enter. The output of second and third example is the same. Let's go to part C of the problem, where we need to print hello world and case it within single commas. Print double quotes, single quote hello comma world, note of exclamation, hit enter. Hello world is printed out. This problem part D is left for the viewers to comment upon, so you can comment in the comment section. Let's get to the problem 2. It says print the followings. First example is I would like to learn Python. Let's open up console. Print double quotes I would like to learn Python. Hit enter. You can see the output is what we intended. Now let's get to part B of the problem 2. He said that hard work pays off. The highlighted part is what we need to print. We need to print it exactly what is highlighted. Let's get to it. Print braces, single quotes. He said that comma double quotes start hard work pays off, double quotes end, hit enter. Yeah, we got the output which was highlighted, as you can see. Let's look at problem C. He commented, "Your father's car is nice." Print within braces. Single quotes. He said that, comma, double quotes, your father's car is nice. Here we have used another type of operator. This is used to escape the special meaning of some characters in Python. Here it escapes the special meaning of single quote, that is in reddish color. For this C part, if you didn't have used this special operator, you would have got an error message. So let's move to third problem. It says I have 30 plus 23 plus 60 books. We need to write a program that sums up the books also. Print within braces, double quotes, I have not 30 was not to be written inside the double quotes, it was to be written outside. So let's correct it. Okay, now it's corrected, comma, 30 plus 23. What was the last number again? It was 60, I think. Yeah. 60, comma, books within double quotes. Hit enter. Yeah, you can see the Python has summed up the books also. Now let's move to next problem. You have 300 chocolates, 133 cakes. You want to distribute these things among your friends and blah blah. Write the answer in format chocolates comma cakes equal to number of chocolates each friend gets space number of cakes each friend gets. Things should be distributed in whole numbers, mind you. Okay, let's try to print it. Print within braces, double quotes, chocolates comma cakes, comma, equal to symbol within double quotes, comma, 300 floor division 4, comma, what was the second number? I forgot. Yeah, where it is? It's 113, I think. Yeah, 113 floor division 4. Hit enter. Yeah, you can see that we got the output in the intended format. So let's scroll down, look at this problem, have a good look at it. It says for the previous problem, write a program that prints number of chocolates left with you, number of cakes left with you after you have distributed the things among your friends. Format of problem is to be noticed correctly. This problem is left for viewers to be commented, so you can comment on this problem in the comment section below. So this is it for today's tutorial.